What's up, YouTube? Okay, so here, I think I got it figured out. Oh, this is brutal. It's like right in the sunshine. Oh, you can't tell what that is at all. Oh, I'm in the shadow. There's no good place to record this. Okay, how about this? So, as you know, I had my, there was a grinding noise in the back of my, this is the Merv here. This is the Mini revo, Traxxas Mini revo. And when I pulled the trigger super hard, I had a grinding noise, so I just took the back piece off, took the wing off, took the bulkhead out, and I think I found my problem. Brutal. Anyways, look at this. When I turn this, watch, see it gets stuck. Watch this. Uh-oh. Oh, how dirty is it in there? Oh, so dirty. Look at that. I won't even turn. Hang on. Here. How do I make it turn? Here, hang on. Oh, it's like grinding. Not good. This is poor treatment of an RC. This is RC abuse. Anyways, you guys, clearly I've got some cleaning to do and potentially replacing some parts because I have destroyed these. Maybe not, I don't know. Anyways, it looks like I'm getting out some, gonna scrape some grease out of there. This drives me nuts because these are the differentials here. They're supposed to be dry. They don't have, but I guess the diffs leak or whatever. I don't know. Anyways, whatever. Broken. There we go. We'll see you guys soon.